I have a team called AK44, which is car number 44. I've been doing the Rhino charge for many years, in my own car for around 18 years.
It's basically for the thrill, the fun, the conservation aspect, and also we want to encourage women to come out and join, make teams or join, because this is a sport, the big cars, people assume are for big boys, or they are for the elite and all, but we want to show other ladies that any girl next door can run with it. We expect first of all to bring back the car to Nairobi in one piece. We expect to beat a few teams, and we expect to have a good time. Yeah, we've done the bigger part of our contribution to Rhino Arc in terms of a pledge. So it's basically just come, enjoy the spirit, enjoy the fun, and drive.
You're fixing something, your mechanics in it.